Hello everyone, this is Asra on Exams Made Ready. Now here I am here to present you the current affairs of 27th April. Now let's begin. This I have already taught you yesterday. World Immunization Week is observed between 24th of April to 38th of April. The second news is 19 interstellar asteroids have been discovered between Jupiter and Neptune, and these are called as centaurs. The asteroids between Jupiter and Neptune are known as centaurs. Okay? Freedom of South Africa. Freedom Day of South Africa is observed on 27th of April. This is the news from the previous. International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day is observed on 26th of April. Now this is the new news. Former Pakistan speaker announced retirement from international cricket. Who is this skipper? Sana Mir. Next, winner of Nanaji Deshmukh Rashtriya Gaurav Gram Sabha Puraskar. That is, winner of Nanaji Deshmukh Rashtriya Gaurav Gram Sabha Puraskar 2020 is Panchayat Dangri of District Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir. Next, India's permanent representative to the UN is T.S. Trimurti. Now, he is been appointed recently. Earlier it was Akbaruddin. Okay? Next. What is vital? Vital, the full form is vital is ventilator, invention, technology, accessible locally. What is vital? Ventilator, intervention, technology, accessible locally. It is easy to build ventilators and it is being made by NASA engineers. Okay. Next. R0. आप इसको ऐसे नहीं पढ़ेंगे. It is not pronounced as R0. It is R0. What you will read this? It is R0. And what is it is? ये क्या है? R0 क्या है? R0 is been recently being used to decide the number of cases or the number of or the level of spread of coronavirus cases. So if the R0 value is 1, that means a person having coronavirus infected by coronavirus is spreading coronavirus to only one person. Okay, only one person, and this is considered as a stable spread. And if the R0 value, if the R0 value, if the R0 value is below 1, that means the spread is declining and soon we will end the pandemic. R0 greater than 1 means it is spreading exponentially. That is, it is not slowing down. And at present, the value of R0 is 2 to 2.5. That means at present, one person is infecting to 2.2 people. Next, IIT Delhi has developed a web dashboard to protect coronavirus spread. That is known as Prakriti. What is known as Prakriti? The full form of Prakriti is Production and Assessment of Corona Infection Transmissions in India. What is this? What is Prakriti? Again, it is the prediction and assessment of corona infection and transmissions in India. And what is the function of this? It will provide the value of R0. The same value of R0 जो मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया है, इसकी वैल्यू इस डैशबोर्ड से आपको पता चलेगी to of each district and state in India. Okay. Yeah, this I have already told. The number of people to whom virus is spreads from a person is known as R0 value. The next new ventilators by IIT Bombay, NIT Srinagar and the Islamic University of Science and Technology is being named as रुदार ventilators. ठीक है. Next, Bronze medal in the current affair category of New York Festival TV and Film Awards 2020 is being given to A Big Little Murder by Short Teller Films, and it is the only winner from India. Now, what's the news? That the bronze medal in the current affair category of New York Festival TV and Film Awards 2020 is being given to A Big Little Murder by Storyteller Films, and it is the only winner from India. Next. Now, what is this e-Karyalaya application? It has been launched by CISF. The full form of CISF is Central Industrial Security Force, and what it will do, it will help in the movement of files and documents without physical contacts, that is through e-office. Okay, e-Karyalaya means e-office. Next is Impact Ranking 2002 Times Higher Education Global List में IIT Kharagpur has got 57th rank. And what does Impact Ranking do? They study the social and political impact of these universities. Okay, next. Now, who is the winner of Child Friendly Gram Panchayat Award 2020? Jamula Lower District of Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir. Next. 10 hydrogen fuel cells based electric buses and an equal number of hydrogen fuel based electric buses will be launched in Leh and Delhi. Okay, 10 hydrogen fuel cell based electric buses and equal number of hydrogen fuel cell electric cars will be launched in Leh and Delhi. Okay, next. First government hospital to launch plasma therapy for COVID-19 is King George Medical University. First government hospital to launch plasma therapy for COVID-19 is King George Medical University. Next. NAFED. Sorry. What is NAFED? NAFED means National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation. This full form can be asked in your exam. And why it is in news? Because it will distribute approximately 5.8 lakh ton of pulses to 20 crore household under National Food Security Act and PM Garib Kalyan Yojana. Okay. Next. Recently, Saudi Arabia had decided to stop flogging punishment. Flogging is also called as whipping. Whipping is also known as caning. They are the name of the same thing. एग्जाम में आपको कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है, फ्लॉगिंग और whipping और caning. And what is this? You beat a person with a whip or a rat at the person's back. Fine. The next is, this has been recently in news. What is West Texas Intermediate, WTI? It is grade of crude oil of New York. What is this? Bazaar app. Bazaar app has been launched by Jharkhand government to avail the daily essential needs. What is the theme of World Malaria Day? Zero malaria, start with me. Theme of World Malaria Day, zero malaria, start with me. Next, theme of World Immunity Week, vaccine work for all. Vaccine work for all. Okay. Now let's just revise the current affairs we have studied. The current affairs of 27th April are over. Just revise them. Okay. We have studied that World Immunization Week. World Immunization Week is observed from 24th April to 30th April. 19 stellar asteroids have been discovered between Jupiter and Neptune called Santos. Freedom Day of South Africa is observed on 27th of April. International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day is observed on 26th of April. Former Pakistani speaker जिन्होंने अनाउंस किया है that she will retire from international cricket is Sana Mir. Winner of Nanaji Deshmukh Rashtriya Gaurav Gram Sabha Puraskar 2020 is Panchayat Dhangri of District Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir. Next, India's permanent representative to UN will be T.S. Murthy. Earlier was Akbaruddin. Next, Wattle. What is Wattle? Wattle is launched by NASA engineers, and the full form is Wattle is Ventilator Intervention Technology Accessible Locally. Next, R0. What is R0? R0 is a what do we say, mathematical formula to decide the number of a person will spread to how much a person infected with coronavirus will infect to how many persons. ठीक है, if the R naught value is 1, that is the condition is stable, the person will affects one person, एक person एक ही person को infect करेगा, and the condition is spread, मतलब the spread is stable in such condition. If the R naught value is below 1, that means it is the rate of coronavirus spread is declining and soon it will end the pandemic. Next, if the R naught value is greater than 1, that means it is spreading exponentially. At present, the R naught value is between 2 to 2.5. That means one infected person is spreading coronavirus to 2.2 people. Next, IIT Delhi develops a web dashboard to protect coronavirus spread, that is Prakriti. Prakriti, the full form of Prakriti is Prediction and Assessment of Corona Infections and transmissions in India. It will provide the R naught value of each district in each state. Okay, new ventilators by IIT Bombay, NIT Srinagar and Islamic University of Science and Technology is known as Rudar ventilators. Next, bronze medal in the current affair category of New York Festival TV and Film Awards 2020 is being given to A Big Little Murder by Storyteller Films. It is the only winner from India. What is e-Karela application has been launched by CISF. CISF का full form is Central Industrial Security Force. And what is this? Movement of files and dashboards without physical touch. Next is Impact Rankings 2020 by Times Higher Education Global List. IIT Kharagpur has got the 57th rank. It studies the social and political impacts. Winner of the Child Friendly Gram Panchayat Award 2020, Jamola Lower of District Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir. 10 hydrogen fuel cell based electric buses and an equal number of hydrogen fuel based electric cars will be launched in Leh and Delhi. Next, first government hospital to launch plasma therapy for COVID-19 is King George Medical University. NAFED, full form of NAFED is National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation. It will distribute 5.88 lakh metric tons of pulses to 20 crore households. It will under the scheme National Food Security Act and PM Garib Kalyan Yojana. Recent decision to stop flogging or whipping or canning by Saudi Arabia. West Texas Intermediate is a grade of crude oil. Bazaar app has been launched by Jharkhand to avail the daily essential needs of the person. Theme of the World Malaria Day, Zero Malaria Start With Me. Theme of World Immunity Week, Vaccine Work for All. Okay. Now, if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Exam Mate Ready. Now here I have yesterday's current affairs so that we undergo do revision also, क्योंकि revision भी बहुत important होता है. अगर आप सिर्फ आगे का पढ़ते जाएंगे तो I think it is better that with the present current affairs मैं आपको एक दिन पहले के भी रिवाइज करा दूँ. तो येस्टरडे हमने क्या पढ़ा था? NBRI, दैट इज़ नेशनल बॉटनिकल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट इन लखनऊ हैज़ मेड एक डीकंजेस्टर स्प्रे बनाया है जो आप मास्क पे डाल सकते हैं जिससे आपके सफोकेशन नहीं होगा. जनरली मास्क पहन के सफोकेशन नहीं होता है, अगर आप ये स्प्रे डालेंगे तो आपको सफोकेशन नहीं होगा. कॉन्गचोंग डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 23rd April. Why it is celebrated on 23rd April? Because on this day Anglo-Manipur War took place. Now the new Central Vigilance Commission is Sanjay Kothari. Ranganayaka Sagar project is on Godavari River and it is a part of Kaleshwaram irrigation project. New COVID-19 emergency fund appeal has been done by Prince Charles for South Asian nations, and these South Asian nations are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. COVID-19 Drishti portal has been launched by State Disaster Management Authority of Uttarakhand. Next, new batch of 60 Starlinks released into the orbit on 22nd April by SpaceX. API, active pharmaceutical ingredients, will be jointly developed and manufactured by Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, Hyderabad. आपके एग्जाम में ये पूछ सकते हैं कि इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ केमिकल टेक्नोलॉजी कहाँ पर है, तो यू हैव टू राइट हैदराबाद. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ब्रांड है जेनेरिक एंटी कैंसर ड्रग विच कैन बी यूज फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ CML. व्हाट इज CML? क्रोनिक माइलॉइड ल्यूकेमिया. इसका नाम क्या है आपको याद रखना है? दशाश हिल. Okay, 26th April is being remembered as International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day by UN, and because on this date in 1986 nuclear disaster took place. Access to COVID-19 tool accelerator किसने लॉन्च किया है? WHO ने. 24th April को क्या सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? नेशनल पंचायती राज डे. धनवंतरी इनिशिएटिव किसने स्टार्ट किया है? असम में. वाई? बिकॉज लोकली अवेलेबल मेडिसिन जो विच आर below ₹200 will be delivered to the patient's home. First state to have requisite infrastructure in all its court for hearing cases through video conferencing. उत्तर प्रदेश एक ऐसी स्टेट बन गई है जिसके कोर्ट्स में वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग की सारे कोर्ट्स में फैसिलिटी है गई है. वर्ल्ड इम्यूनाइजेशन वीक अप्रैल 24 to 30. अप्रैल 14 को क्या सेलिब्रेट होता है? नेशनल फायर सर्विस डे. प्रेजेंट डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ WHO टेड्रोस एधनोम गैब्रायसस. वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग ऑफ सार्क हेल्थ मिनिस्टर्स किसने होस्ट की थी? पाकिस्तान ने. वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट मल्टीपर्पज इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा है? कलेश्वरम लिफ्ट इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट. ईरान ने कौन सी मिलिट्री सैटेलाइट लॉन्च की है? नूर बाय कसर लॉन्च व्हीकल. रिसीव 15,000 करोड़ फ्रॉम RBI. RBI ने 15,000 करोड़ किसको दिए हैं? सिडबी को. सिडबी का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. ओके. एन इनिशिएटिव ऑफ RNA एक्सट्रैक्शन किट बाय SCTI-MST. ठीक है. RNA एक्सटेंशन किट किसने बनाई है? SCTI-MST. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ SCTI-MST? चित्रा मगना श्री चित्रा तृणमूल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर मेडिकल साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. रेमिटेंसेस टू इंडिया कितने से ड्रॉप हो जाएंगे? बाय 23%. वाई? बिकॉज कोरोना वायरस पैंडेमिक इज देयर एंड द इकोनॉमी इज नॉट वर्किंग, सो also the remittances will also be dropped. Now the World Day for Laboratory for Animals is observed on 24th of April, and it was first observed in 1979 by National Anti-Vivisection Society of UK. PM Modi has launched e-Swaraj portal and Swamitva scheme on 24th April. गवर्नमेंट ने फ्रीज कर दिया है DN and DF फॉर इस 1.1 करोड़ एम्प्लॉयज़ एंड पेंशनर्स. FDI पॉलिसी 2017 अमेंड की गई है अंडर FEMA 1999. FDI पॉलिसी क्यों अमेंड की गई है? आपको पता है कि चाइना जितनी भी व्हाट इज़ द अमेंडमेंट दैट द नेबरिंग कंट्रीज जितनी भी होंगी दे विल invest in India through government approval, not direct route. This is the amendment in the FDI policy. Now the theme of the 4th International Girls in ICT Day is expand horizon, change attitudes. And why it is there? So that girls can contribute to the ICT. ठीक है? What is ICT? Write in the comment section. Theme of the World's Intellectual Property Day 2020 is Innovate in Green Future. It is celebrated on 26th April. Because on 26th April it is VIP Day. VIP means World Intellectual Property Day. Indian American University Chancellor elected to American Academy of Arts and Sciences Renu Khatur. Now the current affairs revision is also over. Thank you. If you like my channel and if you like my way of teaching, please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Signing off. Bye bye.